I'm Jesse from Neutrik here at ISE 2026, where we're showing our latest and greatest products. This includes our brand new debut of the Unicorn platform, including Ethicon TRUE1, OpticalCon TRUE1, and the brand new MediaCon TRUE1. This cable series features our debut D-size Type-C locking connector, fully IP65, with cable assemblies and an integrated panel mount. Panel mount available in both feed-through and integrated versions. Our Ethicon TRUE1 is a redesign of our industry-leading connector, featuring an improved retractable function, as well as IP65 rating, so both indoor and outdoor applications for data, video, and lighting. And finally, our OpticalCon TRUE1, latest innovation in our fiber optic ranges, still with integrated dust shutters and IP rating, but an ultra-low profile design. These products should be coming to the market later this year, but please find more information on our website at neutrik.com. Thank you very much.